playing pickleball for a few months now. Nagsugod din siya atong nag-lunch mi sa Dawin and na-court sa pickleball. So, nagdula mi. Wala mi kabalo sa mong ipang buhat pero na-enjoy rapod mi. From there, we decided to play on the coming week and try lang good. Then nag-book na pod mi for the next week and the next and the next. Hantod sa nahimo na siya weekly thing namo, dayon nag-invite na pod mig sugod og other family members and close friends from time to time. As it always goes, pag maganahan na kag kabutang, magsugod na kag tanaw ana og mga video sa YouTube. And I have come to realize, daghan ang haters ning pickleball, oy. So in summary, ingon sila nga it's not a real sport daw, kaya it's not as physically exertive compared to other sports, and the technique and the finesse that you need is not quite demanding compared to those sports. But I think mao ang appeal sa pickleball. Mao ni si Bambam ug si Angel, igsuon og barkada sa akong fiancé. Mao ni si Prince akong barkada ug iyang uyab si Shariko. Akong igsuon si Gio ug iyang asawa si Diana. And katong mga gauna-una og dula, my sister Aisa, pagumangkon ako si Kendra and her boyfriend Ethan, and of course akong fiancé si Lori. And kana siya nga list is comprised of my family members and close friends. If lain nga sport akong gidula, let's say basketball, volleyball, frisbee, or even tennis, then I would be playing with completely different people. I would not get to spend as much quality time as I am spending with my family now if I was playing a different sport. And I think mao na siya lamang sa pickleball, maong nagkasikat siya. Yes, it's not as physically demanding as other sports, pero tungod pud ana, dali ra siya katunon that everyone can play it and it opens up opportunities like ours. Nga aside sa lingaw siya, exercise pud siya ug usa siya sa pamaagi nga maka-spend time ning family o quality time sa usat usa. Game. Appear for the plot. You're dugay kayo.